3 ways to find comments on your channel. And stay tuned to the end, and I'll tell you why you need to find the comments on your channel if you don't already know. Number 1, go to your YouTube channel and find the last 3 videos that you uploaded. Now you may need to scroll down a bit if you have a lot of videos that are scheduled. Select the first video, and you'll be taken to a page that looks similar to this. Click on the word comments, and you'll be taken to your comments. See the image of the thumbs up? First tap on that. And notice that the little thumb has now turned black, and a little number has either appeared or increased by 1. Now notice at the end of the row on the right is a little heart. Tap on that. And you'll see that it has changed to a little circle with your channel image and a little red heart. At the same time that you clicked on that heart, YouTube sent an email to the person who had sent you the message, letting them know that you hearted their comment. This is likely to bring them back to your channel to look at your video again to see what you had to say. Now look a little bit left to that rectangle. If you look a little bit closer, you'll see it looks a little bit more like this. Click on that, and you can type in a message. Then click on this little arrow to the right to send your message. And you'll see that you have replied to this message. Now look at the little circle on the left. In this case, it's an image of my little dog. Here's a closer look. That's Frosty. Isn't she a sweetie? Click on that image. That will take you to this page. You're on the way to see the channel of the person who commented on your page. Now, in my opinion, if somebody took the time to watch my video and comment on it, I'm going to take the time to watch their video and comment on their video. But before I do, I want to take a look at this page a little closer. The first thing is, I have received 11 comments from this channel. Now, aside from making this video, which is 1 comment, I made 10 other comments, which means I'm talking to myself way too much because this is my own channel. This was the first channel that I posted content on, and it's kind of old, but I still use it to make comments and to watch other people's playlists. If we scroll down a little further, we can see the last few comments that I left on this channel. And if we scroll all the way to the bottom, we'll see several of the channels that I'm subscribed to. I can put my thumb on one of these images and scroll it to the right, and I see that it's only showing 20 of the channels that I'm subscribed to. I'm not sure if this is the last 20 channels I subscribe to or the channels that I check out the most. But I do know that if I tap on any one of these images, I will be taken to their channel. Oh, and I almost forgot this top part. Here you can tell a little bit more about the channel. First, in the image, you can see my cute little dog, Frostina. You can see that Frostina's mom can be found by typing in @Frostina's mom. You can also see that I started that channel 8 years ago, and I have a whopping 113 subscribers. At the time I started this channel, I had been taking a class on how to make a YouTube video. And I was also taking a writing class. This was in 2020, I believe. No, it must have been earlier because it's 8 years ago. Anyway, I wrote a book and I recorded it as a YouTube video. Note the 3 dots on the end. Let's see when I click that. This is what happens when you tap those 3 dots. I'm not sure what happens when you go on from here, And I'm not going to check it now. I'm already getting way off track. So let's go back to the last screen. And from here, look over to the right where there's a button that says View Channel. Click on View Channel and hang in there. You may know most of these things already, but I still have 2 more ways to check for comments on your page. Okay, here we are at Frostina's Mom channel. It took us to the home page, but we need to check the videos. So click on Videos. You see it there? Right between Home and Shorts. Click on Videos. And here we're taken to see the last videos posted by Frostina's mom. As you can see, I no longer post on this channel, but it's going to come in handy for this use. Note that there's a red line under the first video. That means I've watched it in full. There's no red line under the second video. So let's save this one to watch later. Note the 3 dots on the right. Click on those. Maybe I should clarify that. I mean the 3 dots on the right of the Cinderella video. That's going to bring up this screen, which gives us several options. See in the middle where it says Save to Playlist? Click on that. Click on Save to Playlist. Now I'll be taken to a list of my playlists. This one I will be adding to my comment list because that has top priority. I used to add everything to my catch-up list, but I found myself getting further and further behind as I kept adding to my catch-up list. My catch-up list has second priority, and whenever I finish that, I go to the one that's just unsubscribed. I'll talk about more of that next week. Click on Comment, and the comment box will turn blue with a white check. From here, I can add it to other playlists if I scroll down, but I'm going to add this one to my comment list. Then I scroll to the very bottom and click on Done. That Cinderella video was really short at only 8 seconds. So I'm going to go to the third one, which is a 10-minute and 42-second video, and I'm going to add that one next. Number 2. That first method can be found whether you're in YouTube Studio or in just regular YouTube. But for these next 2, you need to be in YouTube Studio. So click on YouTube Studio. Here we'll find our video. And see at the bottom where it says Comments? Click on Comments. And from here, you should remember what to do. If not, watch this video again. Number 3. Open YouTube Studio. At the bottom of the page, you'll see these 5 icons: Dashboard, Content, Analytics, Community, and Earn. Click on Community. This is the top of the page we'll be taken to. See where it says Comments? It shows that in the last 28 days, I received 444 comments. Click on that. And we'll be taken to this page. Note the row under Comments says 7 days, 28 days, 90 days, 365 days, September and August. Scroll down a little lower and we see a little graph like this. If we click on 90 days, it shows us the comments that we received in the last 90 days. There was one day I got a lot of comments. And if I click on 7 days, the chart looks more like this. Looks like I didn't get too many comments yesterday. I don't think I posted anything. And here's how the graph looks for 365 days, or the past year. And if we scroll down all the way to the bottom, we'll see something like this. And I'm pretty sure you remember what to do from here. And so, there we have it, 3 ways to find comments on my channel. On most of the channels that I'm subscribed to, I keep the notifications turned off. I have 2,000 subscriptions, If only half of those post every day, that means I'm getting 1,000 notifications a day. That's a bit more than my ADHD brain can handle. And I was spending way too much time watching videos each time I got a notification. It's important for me to watch all of the videos of the people who have commented on my videos. So I put them in this playlist, and it puts a new video at the end, and I watch it this way. Then I can control when and where I watch videos on my terms. This way, I'm just not so impulsive. So if you want me to watch your video, be sure to comment on one of mine. And if you want me to watch your playlists, be sure and watch mine. I can tell if somebody's been watching my playlist or not. If you want to find out how, be sure to like, share, and subscribe, because I'll be posting a video about it shortly. Thank you for watching, and have a blessed day.